Introducing Stevens 1963 Buick Electra. So nice and clean and pretty. Red interior. Everybody knows I like red interior. So first order of business, I gotta get the Kleenex dispenser out. That's first thing. And then she seems to be a little rich, so I want to check her, get her up to temp, do some carb adjustment, maybe do a little timing. Quick and easy. Make it so Steven can enjoy this baby. Dispenser removal, pretty straightforward. I'm gonna swing this baby like that. I'm gonna go up like that, and then you can access our bolts right here on the bracket. There they are. Got my finger on them. I'll show you when I get it out. All right, got that out. I did put the 2 screws back in so we don't have 2 unsightly holes. So this is done. All right, she's cold. She sure runs a little rough. I'm gonna let her get up to temperature. Get her to smooth out. I think the choke's a little rich too. Alright, so it was so choppy. I shut her down before she got any heat in her, really. But I'm gonna adjust this choke because it was way too much. So I'm just gonna unscrew. So I have to move this. Wow, it was way dialed. Let's put it right about there. All right. Put the air cleaner back on. Hit the key again. Let her get up to temp. And then we'll do some idle adjusting. All right. So adjusted the choke. Fired her back up. Much smoother being cold. She's way rich. So we're gonna let her get up to temp here. So you see the cold light is still on. Cold. It's hard to see cold. Anyway, so we're gonna let her get up to temp. See how she does, and then we're gonna go for a little test drive, and then maybe do a little timing adjustment if needed. All right, we are up to operating temp. The choke is off. We're gonna put the hood down, and we're gonna go for a little test drive. She does smell a little on the rich side at idle, but we could get a little bit better idle out of this. So let's drive it and get some heat in it and see. So on a little test drive, get some heat in it. I'm gonna go around the block a couple times, and then we'll go out. Maybe drive down to where Home Depot is in the back. See how she drives. And of course, Steven is gonna get a muffler put on this tomorrow. Or Friday, I can't remember which day. Oh, I won't be here anyway, unfortunately. But so she'll definitely shut up after it gets some mufflers on it. But she drives pretty smooth. I just want to lean her up a little bit, I think. But we'll verify everything here before we end. All right, so after driving, which was pretty nice, I'm gonna just adjust our idle mixtures a little bit. See if we can adjust up a little. And then We got our idle mixture basically figured out. And I did kick a couple degrees of spark in it. Get her a little snappier. I'm going to go out and give it one more test drive, and then we should be ready to roll.